Why are you here?
You all must be knowing what is going on in India. It's enough now. The corruption is really into its stream now. We have to do something to stop this corruption. We see faith on Anna Hazare. That is the reason we all have assembled here in support of him. Let's get together. Let's come all together. We all support Anna Hazare from this platform. Thank you.
Yeah. Tell me, why are you here?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Actually, here, like people should understand what is Lokpal, what is a government's bill, and people should understand what is the difference. I've observed that most of us don't know what's the problem in that, and most of us don't know what is Jan Lokpal bill. So we request that people should go onto the site and understand what is Lokpal bill and try to educate others about this and try to motivate people to join this anti-corruption movement. Thank you.
Do you want to say?
Yeah. I need a corruption-free India. Enough is enough. Now or never. We should support Anna Hazare and don't throw stones at him. Just support him.
Thank you.
We know that we are standing on a foreign land and we are sending our support to Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare is fighting for a good cause, that is for anti-corruption, and he is trying to get the Lokpal bill certified by the Parliament, Government of India. What is a Lokpal bill? Means those who are involved in the corruptions, they should be thrown out of their services and they should be put in the jail. And ordinary human being, ordinary civilians should get all the work like electricity or telephone bill or whatever they want connections. That should be done according to the list as they are standing in the line. So that's why Anna Hazare motto is for a very good cause. That's why I am supporting him.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. You?
Yeah.
What's your good name?
My name is Devjyoti Das, and it's like to all my friends and all are in Facebook or whatever you are. It's just little bit from our side you can do. Just forward, spread, and just encourage other people. Anna has done already most of the things. We just need to a bit push from our side. So just little bit from our side will help it. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
A week back exactly, and I read in the Facebook I saw it and I clicked okay. I would like to join a group or something, but I read only from 2 days back what's Anna Hazare, where did he born, what is he doing, and what is Lokpal bill. Everything I read from the past 2 days. I'm reading it and I felt it's fair and it's the right time for all of us that we can bring a change in our country against this corruption. So what I can do, that's one question. Then once I click on Facebook and read that, every time I see that I go and ask the question what I can do, and everybody I think here joined together and trying to do something. So I felt very happy. I was just passing through this and I felt very happy by seeing this. What we can do, one thought, that is we are all IT. I guess every one of us are from IT industry. So one way I can think of is let our offshore partners, let them know like how is it going there at the moment. Are you participating in it? Are you doing something? Encourage them, give them a chance, encourage your partners at the offshore and make this movement really strengthen at the offshore at least, and let the government know that we can bring a change. This is our last time. When I heard yesterday one speech, I think it's been 4 centuries that this fight is going on. This Lokpal bill, first time it came in 1968, and it's been 4 centuries, it's been 4 decades, and still we are looking at this like pass a bill and cancel it and pass a bill and just talk about that and go away. But this time there is a movement going on. From 1968 there was never a movement, this big movement. So what I request all of you is try to find a ways to encourage your partners. Make this movement little strengthen from your side. That's all. Thank you. Thank you all.
Hey, I am Vinod. I am from Charlotte, and everybody knows that the Anna Hazare is doing fast for us. और हम सभी के लिए जो इंडिया में वो चाहते हैं कि एक मूवमेंट थ्रू जनलोकपाल थ्रू करप्शन फ्री इंडिया हो जाना चाहिए। उसके लिए 64 ईयर से गवर्नमेंट ने चाह रहे गवर्नमेंट की बिल पास करना है, लेकिन अभी तक गवर्नमेंट ने बिल पास किया नहीं है। तो अन्ना ने अप्रैल में पास किया था और पूछा था गवर्नमेंट को कि ये जनलोकपाल बिल तुम कब ला रहे हो। तब अन्ना से बात हुई थी उनकी और बोले थे कि ठीक है एक कमेटी बना देते हैं। तो 5 सदस्य अन्ना की तरफ से, 5 सदस्य गवर्नमेंट के तरफ से 10 मेंबर्स एक कमेटी बना दी थी। लेकिन उसमें अन्ना ने जो बताए थे वो कुछ भी पॉइंट्स थे वो इंक्लूड नहीं थे। इसलिए अन्ना ने 16 अगस्त से इसके खिलाफ गवर्नमेंट को कहना है उनको कि जनलोकपाल बिल तुम इम्प्लीमेंट करो। इसलिए अन्ना ने पास शुरू किया है। लेकिन गवर्नमेंट ने बड़े बुरी तरह से उनको तिहाड़ जेल में सवेरे जब वो घर से निकले तब तिहाड़ जेल में उनको डाल दिया था, जो कि डेमोक्रेसी के एकदम खिलाफ है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया जो सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी अभी हमारे इंडिया में है वो अच्छे से रहे। तो अभी इसलिए हमने सभी ने मिलकर शार्लेट वासियों के तरफ से हम चाहते हैं कि अन्ना की जो मूवमेंट है उसको सपोर्ट करें। इसलिए सभी मेरे भाई लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं। ये मूवमेंट क्यों कर रहे हैं? तो वी वांट करप्शन फ्री इंडिया। व्हाट इज़ करप्शन? So everywhere we are facing the problem. If we want to come to abroad, US or in our other country, we are applying for the passport, and they are every member, every officer or every government officer wants the bribe. They are not giving within the time. So for that there are agents. तो government यहाँ पे job create करती है, but किसके एजेंट के? जो उनका काम है वो काम कुछ वो करते नहीं है, बीच में एक एजेंट क्रिएट करता है और वो बोलते हैं कि हमने जॉब क्रिएट किया। और जॉब क्रिएट किसके लिए किया? वो एक एजेंट के लिए किया। सेम आरटीओ ऑफिस में होता है, सेम गवर्नमेंट के लैंड रेवेन्यू ऑफिस में होता है। तो ये सब गवर्नमेंट का जो चल रहा है वो उनके हिसाब से वो रूल बना रहे हैं, उनके हिसाब से वो सब चल रहा है। तो अन्ना चाहते हैं कि ये एक करप्शन फ्री इंडिया हो, इसलिए अन्ना अनशन पे बैठे हैं। तो हम सभी लोग यहाँ पे इसलिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं कि अन्ना को हम सपोर्ट करते हैं। सो भारत माता के जय, भारत माता के जय, भारत माता के जय।
लड़ाई लड़ रही है, पर मेरा संदेश है उन बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग के लिए, वो बुद्धिजीवी व्यापारी, वो बुद्धिजीवी नेता, वो ब्यूरोक्रेट जो बोलते हैं कि अन्ना का ये रास्ता गलत सही नहीं है, और भी रास्ते हो सकते हैं। कोई बोलते हैं कि लोकपाल जनलोकपाल में ये कमियां है, ये लोकतंत्र को खतरा है। मैं मानता हूँ कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो सब बुद्धिजीवी डिसाइड करे, परंतु एक इंसान ने शुरुआत की है तो बड़ा वह है, उसका रास्ता बड़ा है। यदि आपको किसी चीज़ की शुरुआत नहीं कर सकते तो उसका सपोर्ट करना चाहिए। तो मैं अपने उस सभी बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग से बोलता हूँ, बजाय उसके विपरीत बोलने के साथ आएँ और डिबेट करें, और जो अच्छा है इस देश के लिए उसमें सहयोग दें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Anna Hazare has started a movement for our country, for our people, and it's a movement which will bring a difference not to today, but India will reap its benefits going forward for next 50 years or 100 years till we survive, until this world survives. Anna Hazare has started something which we know right now and which will be there for our times to come, and it is on our government what decision they take and what they do. And it will be upon them that how it is remembered, in a good way or as a suppressed emotion by the people of the country. So it's up to the government, and I urge to the government that they should support this movement and Anna Hazare might not have put all the points across very correct, but they should. But we agree that most of the points over there are correct. So government should debate over it and bring out a good Lokpal bill. If not a Jan Lokpal bill, then at least not their Lokpal bill what they have presented in the parliament. We need a good Lokpal bill, a strong Lokpal which works for the country and urges forward a good democracy. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I'm very happy to see all these people here who are here in support of anti-corruption, and I like to say something special here, a new thing. I am a university student and I see a lot of people watch online movies, buy DVDs with $1 worth which are pirated, and why are we supporting a Jan Lokpal bill if we are doing all these things? It should stop with us. We have to be the change first. We should not do all those things. That's what I suggest. Let us take a pledge, everyone, that we will never watch any online movies or buy any pirated things or bribe anyone or take bribe from anyone or